In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Calendar for productivity 2026. Step by step. Start by opening Google Calendar in your browser. On the left side, find Other Calendars and click the plus icon next to it. Then choose Create New Calendar. Make separate calendars for the main parts of your life: work, content creation, clients, personal growth, personal, and health. Give each one a distinct color so your week is instantly readable at a glance. That simple color system turns a chaotic schedule into something you can scan and understand in seconds. Next, set your defaults so every event starts out right. Click the gear icon, open settings, then event settings. Choose a default event duration that fits how you like to work, such as 30 or 60 minutes. Add 2 reminders, 10 minutes and 1 hour before, to cover both preparation and last-minute nudges. Pick how you want to be notified, either email or a pop-up. Standardizing these settings prevents missed tasks and removes small decisions that add up over the day. Now time block your day. Instead of juggling a long to-do list, drag on your calendar to create focused blocks. For example, schedule 8 to 9 for admin tasks, 9 to 11 for deep work, 1 to 2 for client calls, and 4 to 5 for content creation. Name each block clearly and assign it to the right calendar so the color matches the type of work. Treat these blocks like appointments with yourself. If something shifts, move or resize the block rather than abandoning the plan. Make recurring events do the heavy lifting. Open an event and set it to repeat. Add a weekly planning session on Sunday evening, a monthly budget review, regular client check-ins, and a consistent gym schedule. Recurrence automates your routine, frees mental space, and keeps your week predictable. Protect your time with focus time and out of office. Add focus time to reserve deep work periods that will automatically limit meetings. Use out of office when you're unavailable, so invites are declined without you lifting a finger. Turn on tasks integration so small action items live on your calendar alongside events, keeping everything in one view. Sync across all your devices, install the Google Calendar app on your phone, enable notifications, let it sync with Gmail, and connect it to Zoom or Google Meet. That way, meeting links attached to events and invitations from email appear automatically. Finally, use the event description field wisely. Add a brief agenda, essential notes, and links you'll need, like video rooms or documents, and include a simple checklist of talking points. With everything stored in the event, you show up prepared and avoid scrambling. Put these pieces together and your calendar becomes a clear, reliable system you can trust every day.